Hi, I'm Celina, and in today's episode I'm going to be showing you how to make healthy milkshakes 4 ways. Welcome to Healthy Bub Grub. In my channel I'm going to be showing you how to prepare healthy, nutritious food for your baby from when they first start solids right through to family meals. Make sure you hit that like button if you enjoy what you've seen today, and be sure to subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with what I post on a weekly basis and to help show your support. As always, if you're concerned about allergies, please seek the advice of an appropriate healthcare professional. You can make these milkshakes in minutes, which is just great when you're running short on time. They are easy to prepare and they are great to take as an on-the-go snack if you're traveling or if you're out and about. There's something that you can take with you that are really healthy and that your little one is going to love. All right, let's get started. For these milkshakes, you will need 150 ml of your preferred milk. I'm using full cream cow's milk. For this particular milkshake, you're going to need avocado, spinach and banana. And you're just going to place it in with the milk into a jug and blend it until it's nice and smooth. I'm using a stick blender, but you could use a regular blender if you don't have one. So if you're wanting to find a way to sneak some extra greens into your child's diet, these milkshakes are a winner. For this one you'll need 150 ml of milk, a couple of tablespoons of rolled oats, a banana and a tablespoon of natural peanut butter. Combine all of the ingredients in the jug and blend until nice and smooth. For this milkshake you'll need 150 ml of milk, a mango and a passion fruit. You want to start by taking the mango cheeks off and peeling the mango, and then I chop it and add it to the milk. And then halve the passion fruit and add the pulp and blend together until nice and smooth. For this milkshake I'm using 150 ml of milk, strawberries, raspberries, blueberries and a scoop of natural yogurt. You just want to trim the ends off the strawberries, add the rest of the ingredients to the milk and blend until smooth. As you can see, these milkshakes are super tasty. You can have them anywhere and you don't even realize you're sliding off your chair. I think these milkshakes are a great way of combining fruit and dairy. There are so many options of flavor combinations. So the 4 flavors that I've given you are just a starter. Be creative and see what you can come up with. I hope that you've enjoyed today's video and that I've given you some inspiration on how to make some healthy milkshakes for your family. Please let me know in the comments what you've thought of today's video. Thanks for watching and I look forward to seeing you again next time. These milkshakes can be made in this. These milkshakes are a great way of combining. I hope I've been. I just was trying to show the camera.